Hi, this is Bill Kemp, the Home Exterior Guru, coming to you live from Richmond, Virginia. I had a friend recently that said, hey, aren't all replacement windows the same? So this really drove me to do this video, and I brought basically two windows with me to show to you briefly and give you a little overview on both. Because guess what, folks, not all windows are created the same. The first thing I want to show you is this is more of your basic replacement window here. This is what I like. 90% of your home improvement companies will sell. This is what your Home Depot and your Lowe's will sell. Is your standard basic white double hung replacement window. The first thing I want you to look at is the actual sash of the window, and the sash is the part that actually slides up and down. On this particular window, you can see that the sash has a basic lock, has your basic tilt latches. Also, it has more of a blocked style frame. Nothing real appealing to it. It's just a regular frame. Now, when we look at our Grandura window, which is considered a higher end window, it has a beveled edge, picture frame style interior, so you have a much cleaner look, a much prettier looking frame, a much nicer looking window overall. Now, when we go back to this window here, you'll also see that the balance covers are open. That might not seem like a big deal to you, but that's where a lot of dust and debris can sit down inside of that frame of that window. And as we scan over here, you'll see that the balance covers are closed. So there is no open balance covers on this particular window, and it just gives it a lot more appeal to the window. Also, with your more basic windows, you're going to find your standard locks, your standard white locks. On some of your higher end windows, you can get things like your nickel plated locks and even your nickel plated handles. Much nicer looking than just a standard white lift rail. Okay. Also, what you'll find is the lift rail on these basic windows are usually attached right to the sill of the inside of that window. So as you can imagine, as you lift up and down on that window, that lift rail, you're going to be pulling directly against the seal of that window. Well, as you look here at the Grandura window, you notice that the lift rail is actually integrated into the sash and is not nowhere near the edge of that window sill. So you have a much better chance of this window not getting sill failure as a result of you just simply opening and closing it. Also, obviously, the biggest thing is just the overall appearance of the two. When you look at this window, you get, again, your basic white window here. This particular window is a cherry finish with your stainless steel or your nickel-plated locks and lift rails. Much nicer looking window. Now, when we go to the outside, you're going to see some very similar things too, as far as appeal is concerned. The first thing, this is what your average homeowner will not see, is you have what they call a reverse screen pile. So you actually have the pile of that screen, which is that black rubber piece that you see sticking around that or going around that screen, is very apparent on that particular window. And as we go over to the Grandura window, you see that it's a much cleaner look because the screen pile is actually on the inside, so you don't see it from the outside looking in. So you get a window overall that just looks a lot cleaner, much more attractive from the street, much more attractive to the eye.